Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to use Yuzzit effectively for managing and hosting your media. Let's begin. You can access your library directly by choosing Library on the menu above. It's there that you will find all the videos, images, GIFs, audios that you either imported or clipped directly from your live stream. Let's organize our library. First thing first, start with assigning each piece of media a clear title and description to simplify locating them later. Yuzzit provides the added feature of organizing your media into subfolders, so you can easily find what you need when you need it. To create subfolder, just click on the Create Subfolder button at the top of your screen. And if you are looking to import a file directly into the new folder, select Upload, and then the folder will be set as destination for your import. Yuzzit now allows for multiple file selection. This means you can easily select all of your media by clicking on Check All. It goes to a maximum of 20 media at once. And if you need, you can delete them all by just clicking on the Delete button. This feature really simplifies managing a large number of files at once. If you need to find a media file quickly, use Yuzzit's search feature. Just enter the name and it should come up right away. If you can't remember the name of the file, no problem. Yuzzit is designed to be user-friendly, providing you with efficient tools to quickly locate your media with minimal effort. You can filter by date, which is ideal if you remember when the media was imported or live clipped. Source filter allows you to differentiate between media captured in live stream and those imported via upload. If you are looking for content specific to a platform, use the destination filter to see where the media have been shared, whether on a social network or elsewhere. Let's take for example TikTok. The format filter is perfect for narrowing your search to videos, images, animations, audio clips, or GIFs. And if you are working in a team, the user filter helps you to navigate to the media created by a specific team member. With all these tools at your disposal, finding the right file becomes a simple and a quick task. Editing media on Yuzzit goes beyond convenient video storage. The platforms give you the freedom to not only store your media for future use, but also to edit it smoothly. By selecting a media, you have access to a suite of editing tools under the Customize button. Here you can make changes, adjust content or format according to your specific needs. Each version created is saved and easily accessible by choosing the version at the top of the preview of the media, which allows you to compare different versions to choose the best one. When you select a video, Yuzzit provides a detailed view where you can see the source, quality, duration, whether it has subtitles, and where it have been posted. This feature ensures you have all the necessary information about your video at a glance. Additionally, the Editing Live feature is a significant enhancement. By selecting the video and clicking on Editing Live, you can access the original live stream timeline. This allows for reclipping your videos to include additional frames or sections you might have missed initially. And for common editing tasks like trimming videos, the Trim tool is an asset. In just a few clicks, you can remove unwanted part or refine sequences to highlight the key message of your video. You can access our tutorial on the Trim window directly on our YouTube channel. Thus, Yuzzit becomes your preferred partner for quick, efficient media editing without compromising on quality. Yuzzit is designed to enhance collaboration. The platforms enable you to control access to your media by assigning varying levels of permission, determining who can view and modify files without the risk of overwriting each other's contribution. Once your media is ready, you can share it with a direct link so others can access it without any hassle. Or you can post it directly and simultaneously to multiple social medias and other platforms right from Yuzzit. This makes the process of working together and sharing content quick and easy. Yuzzit is designed to help teams collaborate efficiently, making sure everyone stays on the same page. That's all for our tutorial on how to manage and host your media. Hope you find it useful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.